Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. Today's video is a basic information about circuit breaker. See you guys. This is 32 amps ELCB breaker, means earth leakage circuit breaker. This breaker is usually used for power and lights at wet area. This breaker has a neutral and earthing wire. As you can see, in the output terminal, there are 4 connections. First is for line, second is for neutral, third is for neutral again with wire, and fourth is the earthing with small wire. What do you mean by ELCB breaker? A safety device used in electrical installations with high earth impedance to prevent shock. This is the earthing terminal. And this is also the neutral terminal. In this ELCB breaker, the color black wire is a neutral, and the white is the earthing. In this panel board, there is line 1, line 2, and line 3. Line 1 is for red. Line 2 is for yellow. And line 3 is for blue. This is 3-phase supply. And this is also MCB breaker. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. What is miniature circuit breaker? A safety accessory with an electromechanical mechanism of action. This breaker is usually used for lights and air conditioning at dry area. When you install this breaker, pull the black lock and push to tight. This MCB breaker is no black and white wire. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like and share. Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.